Before we get started, I wanted to remind you, if you like learning more about real estate or real estate law, make sure you subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more videos just like this one. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you searched for real estate power of attorney. And a power of attorney is most often used in real estate when one of the parties can't attend the closing. This power of attorney gives someone else the authority to sign for you, but also bind you to a contract, or in the case of buying a home or borrowing money, making your promise to pay the money back by signing the promissory note and deed of trust. Now, for this power of attorney to be effective as to real estate, it has to be recorded the Register of Deeds. So if you're getting a special power of attorney drafted just for a certain real estate transaction, it's probably going to be filed with the closing package, with the deed of trust, right there in the county where the property is located. There are other types of powers of attorney that you may have. For example, if you have an estate plan, maybe your attorney prepared a durable power of attorney, or you might call it a general power of attorney. And sometimes those can work too for real estate. So there's a few important things. One, it's got to have the right language in the power of attorney that specifically says the agent can take actions with respect to real estate. And the other thing is, just like one that's prepared specifically for a real estate transaction, is that it has to be recorded to be effective. Here's something very important about using a power of attorney in a real estate transaction, and it is that advance notice is a must. If you are a buyer and you're getting a loan, the lender and the attorney need to approve the form of the power of attorney. Now, most likely, if you need a power of attorney in a real estate transaction, you'd ask the real estate attorney to prepare it, but the lender still needs time to review and approve that document to make sure it will meet all of their requirements for their loan package. And if you're a seller, the attorney also needs to review the power of attorney to make sure it's sufficient to be able to convey the seller's interest in the property. So, one of the worst things you can do is show up at the closing with the power of attorney in hand and say, "Oh, I just thought I could use this." It is a near guarantee that the closing will be delayed if you do something like that. So if you want to use a power of attorney, no problem. Tell us in advance, and we will likely be able to get it all pushed through right on time without a hitch, as long as you tell us. All right, I hope that was helpful to explain how powers of attorney are used in real estate transactions for buying and selling. I'm Tiffany Weber, a real estate attorney in Mooresville, North Carolina. And hey, Gus, come here, boy. Come here, buddy. Come on. And this is Gus. And we are so happy that you're wanting to learn more about real estate. If you ever need a real estate attorney in North Carolina, give us a call. I know. I need to redo that.